title below, you saw that this is me versus my Ulta Haul version 2. So if you did not get to see my Ulta Haul version 1, I will link it in the description box below. You can check out what I got there. I got some really cute stuff. But I said in that video that I made 2 purchases. And so this is number 2 or number 1. I'm not really sure which order I purchased. Actually, I think I got order 2 first because it was smaller. Yeah, this is order 1. It came in 2 boxes, guys. 2 boxes. So we're gonna get into it. Check out my haul. I'm super excited. This does have some Christmas presents in it. So I'm a little bit nervous because the man of the house is right there. And some of the stuff is for him. So I just made him put his headphones on. So I'm gonna try not to talk too loud. But usually when his headphones on, he can't hear nothing. Or he chooses not to. I'm not really sure yet how that works, but I guess we'll test out the theory, right? So I opened box 1 so we could be prepared. And let's get into it, guys. Also, wait, before I start, please subscribe to my channel if you're new here. I'd love to have you. I go live every single Saturday, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We do giveaways, we play games, we hang out, we shoot the shit, we just have fun, and we'd love to have you. I would say my subscribers have become like family and friends, and we all get to know each other. And so if you're looking for something like that, or like a group where you can feel like home basically, and you can come and just talk about stuff, even your problems, we're here for you. So we'd love to have you. Please hit the subscribe button. Please smash the like button, everybody. And if you can, please turn on all notifications so that YouTube will let you know when I drop a video or I post something on my community tab. Bless you. I'm over here covering it. And they'll let you know when I drop something on my community tab. But let's get into this. I'm really, really excited, guys. Okay, so this was either like Black Friday or Cyber Monday. I can't remember when Ulta put this sale up, but either way, nonetheless, I saved a lot of money and I'm really excited about that. I love saving money. So, this is the first item. This is for him. And the way this works, they'll send him all these different, well, they did. They're all in here, all these different fragrances to try for men. Cologne, sorry, not fragrances. Colognes for men. And then he gets a $15 gift card and he gets to go back into the store, I think also online, and he redeems it and can try to put it towards a cologne purchase or whatever he wants. But I thought that was really cool. That way he can try all different ones. The last cologne he purchased for himself, I don't really like. He loves it, but this was my goal, to get him to switch it up a little bit. You know what I'm saying? So I bought him a whole selection. That way we can agree together. Great idea, I know. He keeps looking over here, trying to cheat. See how they do. Alright, so that's item number 1. Item number 2, I did the same exact thing for women. See, they had the women's set. This one is a little bit sketchy. Even online, I was like, what is this supposed to be? Y'all tell me in the no, don't tell me in the comments below. You're gonna get me demonetized. But y'all use your imagination. That just, oh, it's a shoe. Okay, it's a shoe. It's a high heel, but that definitely, it looked like something else to me. But anyway, it's a high heel, guys. It's a high heel. I don't know what I was thinking it was. Anyway, so these are all different ones, and then again, you get a $15 gift card. I think this is really good for somebody trying to find the scent that works for them. And you know, to be honest, scents are changing and perfumes are coming out all the time, so I think it's fun to do anyway, nonetheless. And yeah, so I got one for women. One for men, one for women. Tell me in the comments below, have you ever gotten this from Ulta? And did it help you? Like, did you find one you were absolutely in love with after that? And the cool thing is, I just got a coupon in the mail from them, save 20% off, like, my next purchase, and it includes, excuse me, it includes fragrances. So yes, that works out. Alright, so here was the next one I did. This was the same type of deal, but it was skincare. So it's a 10-piece sample kit, and then it says plus 3 bonus samples. Merry Bright Skincare Done Right, Lux Littles to help you glow. See? So this is skincare. It's really cute with the string of lights going around it. So I was excited to get this. Okay. It has what? Proactive, Neo 114, Mario Badescu, Clarence, Peter Thomas Roth, Tula, Mamonde, Kate Somerville, Kiehl's, Philosophy. Yeah. Pretty cool. And these were very affordable. And like I said, not only affordable, they were on sale. Okay, so that is box number 1. I think they were perfect, cute sets for Christmas to give to people. Tell me what you think. Were they cute Christmas ideas? I think they were. So this is box number 2. Let me go ahead and open this one up. So, I must have, you know how you buy like a certain item at Ulta and it qualifies for a free gift? I think this was a free gift. But here we go. So this is Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. That's cute packaging, right? Okay. Because I have this mascara and the packaging doesn't look like that. So it's really cute. So maybe it's holidays? I don't know. But I like it. Alright. Then, this is probably why I got it. Look at this! Oh no, I moved her stomach! I shook her too much. Anyway, this is her poor stomach. Anyway, this is the Too Faced Let It Snow Girl limited edition makeup collection. Smells like fresh baked sugar cookies. This thing is adorable. Okay, I had to have this. Last time they did, I think it was Too Faced, they did the Christmas tree. And I got that. I don't know if it was Too Faced or Tarte. I think it was Too Faced, but I do have that one. And the highlighter in it was so good. Oh, look at the head. It stayed on there. How cute. I thought that was just a sticker on top. How cute is that? Okay, let's open it. I'm scared. Am I going to break it? What am I doing? Breaking it. Awesome. Okay, so the way this works apparently, I just kind of broke it. I was trying to open it this way and I was like, why is it not opening? Right, it was stuck. It's supposed to turn. So if you get this for Christmas from somebody, don't do that. I kind of broke it. But it's still, I mean, it's on there. It's good. But this is that. You can hear it kind of crinkling where I just pulled the glue up in there. That's really pretty. It says Angel Wings and Chocolate Soleil Bronzer. So that's really pretty. Cute. It stays. We're good, we're good. She's not broken. But I did screw that up. Okay, here's the stomach. Too Faced. Woo! And it's Pink Christmas, Snow Kiss, Merry and Bright, and Christmas Dream. Now this other side is not a mirror, in case you're wondering. It's just like the reflective gold. But they are really cute. And last but not least, oh, she got some weight in her booty. All right, here we go. Here's this one. Oh, okay, Too Faced. Look at these colors, how pretty. Look at that freaking glitter shade. And that teal. And this is called Resting Wish Face. I like that. And then that teal is Tricho Elf, and the glitter is Snow Globe. That's cute. This purple is Sugar Show. They have really cute shade names. Oh, there was one up there hiding. Anyway, oh, and it was Chocolate Wasted. And again, it's gold on the other side. These are cute, guys. I think it's a cute gift idea. It was definitely a great idea on sale. And now I can't figure out how it was done, but I'll figure it out later. And then it also came with a Better Than Sex mascara again. So basically I ended up with two of those. I got one as the gift, and then I got this one with the set. So I am in the money with mascara, which means my subscribers are in the money with mascara. Alright, so I'm going to put that to the side. So note to self, when you watch people unbox stuff, you can learn lessons. What not to do. But anyway, so that one turns. It doesn't open like this. Alright. What is this? This might be another free set. I love free stuff. What are you? So this is, no, I know I bought this. So this is the Fully Charged Mascara. This is by Pure. My stepdaughter is obsessed with this mascara. She thinks it's the best mascara she's ever tried in her life. She's tried a bunch of mascaras, because as you can see, I get a bunch of mascaras, but this one's her favorite. So I ordered one. It was on sale. This I did not order. So this is a cologne or a perfume. I think it's a cologne. It is Sauvage by Dior. So I'm going to put that, an overdose of freshness, the invigorating top note of a peppery bergamot, the pure and noble trail of an amber wood. So yeah, I'm going to guess that's for men, so I can throw that in with his stuff. Maybe in his stocking. This one I thought was so stinking cute. Have y'all seen this set yet? I know the donuts were like released individually, but then they came out with a 6-pack of donuts. So I snatched it up. This is by I Heart Revolutions, the donut tray. And there's the peanut butter and jelly palette, the chocolate caramel palette, the pink frosting blusher, the vanilla frosting highlighter, the cinnamon sugar bronzer, and it says the makeup blending sponge. So one of those is a sponge. Oh, okay, I guess in the middle. I didn't even notice that was something different. Those are so cute. So I guess these are different, right, than the other ones. The other ones were like chocolate, strawberry, raspberry or something. So this is a whole different set. And y'all see like the glittery hearts and stuff on it. Anyway, I thought that was adorable. So I got it. Then I got another one of these because like I said, we were doing Christmas. Okay. And then this I got for my man. And this is the skincare set for men that they had. And it says, warning, you'll want to steal these for yourself. Try, play, discover, love, beauty finds. Let's see, it has Boskia, Clinique for Men, Dr. Brandt, Jack Black, House 99 by David Beckham. David Beckham again, and then Philosophy. So this is a nice set, guys. So he got cologne and skincare. I'm trying to work on him. We'll see. Isn't that cute? You open it, it's like that. And then it just fastens on the side. So anyway, I thought that was a cute idea. Obviously, he'll get stuff he wants, but I thought it was neat. Make him feel a little bit pampered and special. And that's it, guys. So those are my hauls. That's the 2 boxes. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Again, I will link the first haul in the description box below. That one had a little bit more makeup in it. This one was more like Christmas gifts and stuff, but I think I did pretty good. I did not pay that much, but I was surprised it came in 2 boxes. I was like, I didn't order that much, did I? But I guess the size of it all. Anyways, thank you guys for sticking around and watching my video. I love you guys. Don't forget, you can't spell original without Gina, and I'll see you in the next video. Mwah!